I am Senthil Kumar, faculty, Mechanical Department, Pannimal Institute of Technology, Chennai. Today going to give some concept about engineering design. Actually, design means the people says that aesthetics, external appearance, etc. But the engineering design means we can say it is a process of applying various scientific principles and techniques for the purpose of defining in detail a product or a process or a system to its realization. Uh, the engineering design also can be defined as the design is a formulation of a plan for execution towards satisfying a needs. And further, simply we can say that the machine design is to fix the dimension for machine components. For example, in the IC engine, you can take up the parts of the IC engine, that is a connecting rod, piston, crankshaft, etc. So we fix the dimension based on the forces developed in the product. Okay, we can say that that is a machine design. Actually, the design steps or a design procedure, the design process. So, according to the Shigley, the series of design steps are recognition of need, definition of the problem, synthesis, analysis, evaluation, and finally production. Actually, the recognition of need means, so first we have to find out the customer requirement by means of market research. Okay, so in this phase, the customer says that their requirement in particular field or the problem facing using the particular equipment, etc. For example, in the case of two-wheeler, the customer says that that is kickstarting of bike. It is a problem for me. Suppose like four-wheeler, the starter motor equipped with two-wheeler means it will be happy. Like that, the customer says. So that is called recognition of a need. Okay. So after that, we have to define the problem. The customer says that these things in commercial terms, but you have to convert it into technical terms. That is called definition of the problems. Okay, for example, the customer says that there is a starter motor fixed in the two-wheeler, it may be better. Here, as a technical person, so we have to find what will be the torque required to crank the engine, what will be the size of the motor required, and ampere required for to start the crank, etc. We have to fix it. That is the definition of the problem. So after that, we have to go for synthesis. Okay, the synthesis means that is the collection of ideas or modifying the existing ideas, or you have to develop a mechanism to carry out the design, right? That is the synthesis. Then analysis. The analysis means the forces acting on the component you have to find out by using strength of material concept, engineering mechanics concept, etc. So after that, we have to select the suitable material for the particular application. Then after analyzing these things, you have to fix the dimensions for the component. After that, you got to go for evaluation. So here in this evaluation process, the new design should satisfy technical aspect as well as the economical standpoint. The new product much of two cost. The two cost means that is the market. It is not possible to sell the new design, so that the new design will be smaller cost or low cost, and the technically feasible also. The new designs are technically feasible also. So after that, you have to go for that is prototype and testing. Okay, once we'll get the satisfied results in testing, then we go for a production. These are the design steps or a design procedure or design process according to Shigley. Next, that is different types of design. First, the adaptive design. So the adaptive design means the designer only makes a minor alteration or a modification in the existing design of the product. Uh, Second, development design. The development design modifying the existing design into a new idea by adapting a new material or a new method of manufacture. So already existing product is the problem identify the customer that is quickly corroded. So that you can change the material. So for example, instead of steel, you may use the stainless steel. It will reduce the corrosion. Or you may use a different method of manufacture. Next one, new design. New design means that is a highly creative one. So for that is a lot of technical research and technical ability and creative thinking is requires. Rational design. This design depends upon mathematical formulae or the principle of mechanics. Empirical design. Empirical design depends upon empirical formulae based on practice and past experience. Industrial design. This type of design based on the production aspect. The new design that is suppose having some complex shapes and contours etc. It must be easily manufacturable. Then only you can create the product. Optimum design. It is the best design for the given objective function under the specified constraints. In the case of design, the constraint may be low cost and smaller size and particular shape, etc. We have to considering all the constraint and we have to make the design. Okay, that is called optimum design. The optimum design is the best design. System design. It is a design of any complex mechanical system like motor car or shipbuilding or aircraft manufacturing, etc. Element design. It is a design of any element of mechanical system. For example, IC engine. It's a design of piston, design of crankshaft, design of connecting rod, design of piston rings, design of flywheel, design of valve mechanism, design of cylinder liner, etc. Finally, computer aided design. This type of design, the use of computer system to assist modifying the component or to make the analysis, to make the optimization, the computer system is used. So these are the different types of design. So next, what are the factors influencing the machine design? The first one, safety. The new design or new product that is not make any accident or not having any protruding part, etc. Then reliability. Reliability means the new component must deliver the intended function for the particular period of time. For example, a component designed for a life period of 5 years, the component must deliver the intended function for 5 years. That is called reliability. Quality. The new design component, for example, the particular component designed for particular function, the product must deliver the intended function according to the specification. For example, the motor runs at designed to run at 1500 rpm means they must run at 1500 rpm. That is called quality to satisfy the specified limit. Next, productivity. Because of the new design, the production not too affected. Actually, the productivity means that is a percentage of production. The new design also helps to create the productivity. Cost, as much as possible, the cost of the product minimum. Ecological consideration. The new design not to affect atmosphere, and that is living organisms in atmosphere and people in and around the product is developed. Next, availability of men, material and machine. The new design um, is developed based on availability of men and availability of material and availability of machines. Suppose for your new design, it is difficult to recruit people and material to procure the specialist machines, etc. So based on the available resources, so we are making the design means that will be better. Energy conservation. The new product not consumes much power. The new product that is consumes power as much low as possible. Space constraints. That is space also. The new product occupies very less according to this vertical dimension as well as lateral dimensions. So legislation and sanctions. You have to easy to get approval from the government body. Thank you.